Hey guys, I'm just modding my 75% next time keyboard. Just removed the front casing and now I'm going to remove the back casing. So now I'm just doing the painter's tape mod, and I ended up using 2 layers of it to get more of that poppy sound. Here I'm just poking 2 holes to close the case. I ended up leaving it as is, as there was already foam that was good enough. So I'll just be using some milky yellow switches that were already pre-lubed. To get rid of some of the hollow sounds when you press down on the space bar, I did add some foam underneath it. Now for the keycaps, I got these really cute pink and green duck-themed keycaps off of Aliexpress. Now I'm just adding back on the top casing and the knob. Stay tuned for a sound test.